Day 11, friends. We're cruising right along. Can't believe it's already been this long. So we have our Write and Reader, lesson 29 for reading. It's going to start on 282. So you will start with your vocabulary. Okay. And then for writing, we're going to continue on with your trip story. Some of you have already been sharing your ideas with me, and I absolutely love them. Because my favorite thing to do is go on vacation. I think all of you know that. So over here, you're going to start to introduce. So topic sentence, introducing what you're talking about in your writing. Closing sentence, closing it up, wrapping up your ideas by restating what you said in your topic sentence. Okay, I always like to start with a question, as always, to introduce your topic, and then close it up by starting with a transition to wrap it all together. Then we have our grammar, our daily language. We're going to start on week 3. Monday, we're doing which words are spelled correctly, some analogies, and then sentence corrections. Okay, thinking about all the little things that we've talked about in class, capitals, when to use certain words, proper nouns, all that good stuff. And then you'll rewrite on the line. Then we are, wrong side. We are moving into math. Now, math is a little bit different. This is when you're going into that thick math packet. Now, mine is in a book, so it's going to look a little bit different. But we're going to start on lesson 1, so that should look the same, because that's where these came from. So right here is actually your example page. It will show you step by step what you need to do. So going back into numerical expressions, we're going to use PEMDAS. So remembering what PEMDAS means, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So moving left to right. Sorry, my husband's alarm clock is going off. I'm just going to ignore that. Hopefully you can too. So again, it'll flow through the examples here. Then it shows you a little bit more with brackets. Okay. And then you will complete the practice problems from page 8, 9, and that's it. Okay, it's only numbers 1 through 17. All right, if you have any trouble on the word problems, I know sometimes those can get a little tricky. Just dojo me, message me, email me, whatever you need to do. Then we're going to move into our textbook for social studies. So I know we haven't gone into our social studies book yet, but I know you have it. It's probably in your backpack, so look for that. And we're going to start on page 180. So that is right here. And we're going to start to learn about the 13 colonies. So pretty cool information coming your way. So take your time with your reading. We're going to start with 180, 181, 182, 83, 84, and 85. Okay, I did chunk out this lesson so you can do the questions, either start them today or start them tomorrow, whatever works for you. All right, and then for science, this is another different activity. So using the information from your book, you're going to be creating questions based on, I think we start on topic 7, so I think it will be this one. So you're going to come up with some questions that are based around your science reading. So you can say something like this. Let's see. What is a change that happens because of some kind of action? I know that's a question that would be perfect for this. It's coming right from the text, and that's the definition of an effect. Okay? Any kind of question that you can come up with for the given word. So effect I just made up so that I wasn't giving you an answer here. But if your answer is gravity, what kind of question would you ask? If your answer is axis, what kind of answer or question would you ask? If your answer was rotation, what kind of question would you ask? And so on. Revolution, shadow, constellation. Okay, pretty fun activity just to break up things. And that's about it for day 11. So our schedule is a little bit different. So if you need extra help, support, you want to set up a Zoom meeting, whatever works for you. All right, enjoy your day.